Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto E22i and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app. And I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. They should simply disappear. So all we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Now let's confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we just automatically got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.